Good day, children. Welcome back to our online class. And today we are going to learn English grammar. So, what is our topic? So, as usual, I'm going to give you the clue. Now, really, I'm going to test your knowledge. So, our next slide is a surprise. So, shall we see what is it? Yes. Now, you are going to read this sentences, number 1, number 2. And you are going to tell me what is it. Okay? So, number 1 is friends are Sibitha and Divya. Number 2 is boy Rohan is a good. So, what do you think? I get a lot of question mark. I get very much confused. What about you? What is this? Friends are Sibitha and Divya. Boy Rohan is a good. So, what mistake is there? Yes, the mistake is the words are not arranged properly. The words are not arranged properly. It does not give any sense to these sentences, right? Yes, it is not arranged properly. So, when the group of words, when the words are mixed ulta pulta, so it is not arranged properly and it does not give any proper sense. So what we have to do now? So we have to arrange these words in a proper way, in a grammatically correct way to make a sensible sentence. Okay, so let's try. Number 1, friends are Sibitha and Divya. So which words will come for which word will come first? So yes. So if you know to speak in English, you can easily arrange. So the right answer, the right sentence is yes. Sibitha and Divya are friends. It is arranged properly and it gives a proper sense to the sentence and it gives a proper meaning. It is a sensible sentence. Understood? Yes. Now, next one is Rohan is a good boy. So, is it a correct sentence? Is it the words are making in a sensible? Yes, they are making sensible and they are grammatically correct. So, when the group of words arranged properly and it makes a sensible sentence, so it is correct. So, children, today we are going to learn sentences. So, our topic is sentences. Okay? Shall we proceed now? Yes, let's understand first. What is a sentence? So, do you have a question mark in your mind like this? Yes. So, what is a sentence? It's nothing but a group of words, that is many words, that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. That makes a complete sense is called a sentence. When many words that makes a complete sense, when it is arranged properly, it makes a complete sense. It gives a complete sense. It gives a complete meaning. Okay, it is called a sentence. So, your question mark is clear now? Yes. Now, where do we use this sentence? So, we make use of sentences when we are speaking, reading and writing. So, what do we speak? we speak in a sentence, do we speak in alphabets? Do we speak in words? No. We put many words together and make a sentence and then speak. So same way, while reading also, we read the group of words, sentences. We make use of sentences when we are speaking, reading and writing. So when you read the sentence, you will understand very easily what does it mean. And when you are writing the sentence also, you will understand what you are going to write, what the message you want to give. So it all comes in a sentence. That is called a sentence. So this is where we make use of sentences. So in order to form correct sentences, we place the words in a particular order such that they give meaning to what we want to convey. Understood? So when we are writing, when we are speaking, when we are reading, so we place the words in a particular order, in a correct order, so that it gives the correct meaning and we can convey what we want to say. Now let's read the following sentences. Number 1, that is, Jumbo is named elephant, the and of. Again, it is all mixed up. Jumbo is named elephant, the and of. Oh my God. Thumbs down. Second, the next sentence, have parents gone my Pune too? So, is this a proper sentence? Does it give any proper sense? Jumbo is named elephant, the and. So, what will be the correct answer? Yes, try. So, try and keep it in your mind. I'll give you a time. Yes. So check your answers. Yes, the first one is Jumbo is the name of an elephant. So did you understand what is that sentence? Next one is my parents have gone to Pune. Now it is giving proper meaning. I can understand. Right? So Jumbo is the name of an elephant. My parents have gone to Pune. So what I read, what I said, I hope you also must have understood. So sentence means you have to arrange the words properly. Okay? Now let's see. Yes, this is thumbs up. So the answer is correct here. The sentences are arranged properly. Okay, next one. Now a test. Rearrange the words to make sensible sentences, means correct sentences. So shall we start? Number 1. At stars the night twinkle. At stars the night twinkle. So, yes, think of the correct sentence. Rearrange the words. Yes. And remember that when you rearrange and write the sentence, the first letter should be in capital and it should end with the full stop. It should end with the full stop. If it's the question sentence, it will end with a question mark. If it ends with an exclamatory, then it ends with the exclamatory mark. Okay. So here, which word will come first? At stars the night twinkle. So the stars twinkle at night. The night stars twinkle at. So what is the correct answer? Yes, did you think? So let's check your answer. Right, the stars twinkle at night. Yes, very good. The stars twinkle at night. So it is gives the some sensible meaning in that. And the next one, number 2. Are bacteria everywhere found? Yes. Are bacteria everywhere found? So that is why we wash our hands again and again. Right? So how do you say this sentence? How do you write? How do you read? Yes. Yes. Bacteria are found everywhere. Full stop. Starting should be capital. Okay. So bacteria are found everywhere. Now shall we move to the next question? Yes. Smallest of all microbes are the viruses. Smallest of all microbes are the viruses. Yes, viruses are the smallest of all microbes. Now in the link, I've given you some easy sentences where the words are jumbled and you have to click the right rearrange sentences. Okay, so now let's move on to the next question. Number 4, grow fungi on material rotting and dead. Grow fungi on material rotting and dead. Fungi grow on dead and rotting material. So shall we check the answer? Yes, it's correct. So fungi grow on dead and rotting material. Fungi grow on dead and rotting material. Now the next one. Yes, number 5. Yeast fungus is used in making of bread. Yeast fungus is used in making of bread. Come on, try. Yeast fungus is used in making a bread. Yes, did you find? Now check your answer. Yeast is a fungus is used in making bread. You are not supposed to add your own words. You are going to rearrange only the given words. Whatever the words are given in the question, those words only you will arrange. So you are not going to add any extra words. So if you are going to add, then it will become incorrect. Okay. So yeast is a fungus used in making bread. Okay, children. Now let's move on to the next one. So we must remember, as I said, we have to follow some punctuation marks. So what we have to remember when we are arranging the sentences? All sentences begin with a capital letter. All sentences will begin with a capital letter. A is the capital, your W is the capital, W is the capital, okay? So we punctuate the sentences by a. So if it is a sentence, full stop. If it's comma, also you can use exclamatory sentence, you will have to put the exclamatory mark. If it's a question sentence, you'll have to put the question mark. So this you have to remember while you are writing the sentence. Now, next one, let's learn the parts of sentence. Parts of sentence. Now, what is this parts of sentence? So, do you have any idea? Question mark. What does it mean? Parts of sentence. So, when you take a sentence, any one sentence, it is divided into two parts. It is divided into two parts. Now, let's see what are those. Yes. Ready? Yes. Parts of sentence. As I said, it is divided into two parts. Subject, predicate. Subject, predicate. Now, what is subject? English, maths, chemistry? No. Subject in a sentence means naming part. Subject in a sentence means naming part. And what is predicate? It is looking like a cake name? No. Predicate means telling part. What you say. What the sentence say. Okay. Now when we read the examples, you will understand. So remember that there are two parts in a sentence. That is subject and predicate. So in your exams, they will ask you to underline the subject and circle the predicate. Or they will ask you to find out the subject or only predicate. Anyhow, they will ask. So you must be very talented to find out which is subject and which is predicate. Now let's practice to find what are subject and predicate. Now to find out the subject. So what is subject? It is a naming part, as I said. So naming part means what? It tells who or what the sentence is about. So it tells who or what the sentence is about. So example, the light is very bright. The light is very bright. So is very bright is something you are saying about that name. Yes. So what is the naming part? The light. So here it is boxes done. Okay. So the light is the naming part of this sentence. So the underlined part is the other part. What is the other part? Predicate. Okay. So which is the subject part here? The light. So in your assessment, I have asked you to tick the subject. And in some questions, I have asked you to tick the predicate. So you be careful, read the question properly and click the answer. Now underline the subject. Now yes, underline the subject. The apple is red. The apple is red. So which is the subject here? The apple. Okay. The grass is green. A policeman caught the thief. Now you underline. I will wait for you. Yes. Yeah, you cannot take the pen. I can understand. But you can think and keep the answer ready. So number 2 is the grass is green. And the last one is a policeman caught the thief. Oh, no thumbs up now. Wait, we have not completed. Oh, go. Yes, go on. So let's complete the answer. We'll take the pen again. So the grass is green. Here the grass. And here, a policeman. Yes. Now clap your hands. It is correct. Now let's call the thumbs up now. Yes, our answer is correct. So let's clap and do the thumbs up. Now shall we go to the next slide? Yes, predicate. Let's learn what is predicate. So what is predicate? Telling part. So it tells something about that name. Okay. It tells what someone or something is or does. So telling part means it tells what someone or something is or does. Okay. Example. Nature is the best physician. So nature is the naming part, it is subject. So what nature is doing? It is the best physician. So is the best physician is the predicate. Okay. Now next one, the rose smells sweet. So here again, the rose is the naming part, that is subject. Smell sweet is the predicate because it tells about the naming part. Okay. It tells about the subject. So shall we practice? Are you ready? Now let's see who will get the thumbs up. Oh no, thumbs up has already come. Okay, never mind. Because he knows that you will do the right answer. Okay. Now we are going to underline the predicate. Okay. A bee buzzed around me. Okay, let's read the sentence first. A bee buzzed around me. The ball rolled down the hill. The sun rises in the east. I'll read again. A bee buzzed around me. The ball rolled down the hill. The sun rises in the east. So when you're reading itself, you will come to know which is the subject and which is the predicate. So now I will take my pen and I'm going to keep it ready. Yes. Now you open your brain. So click on the light and come on, start thinking. Already thumbs up is there. So please don't give me the wrong answer. Yes, start. I'll wait for you. Ready? Yes, answers are ready. So shall we discuss? Yes. A bee buzzed around me. So what are we going to do now? Predicate. Yes. A bee is a name. So it's be the subject. So what is doing? Buzzed around me is the predicate. Next one, the ball rolled down the hill. So the ball is the name, that is naming part, and roll down the hill is the predicate. And the last one, the sun rises in the east. So what is the sun? Naming, subject, and rises in the east, predicate. Yay! So our answer is correct. That is why we have this thumbs up first itself. Now let's see what is the other one. Yes. Now a small thing to remember. Subject plus predicate. That gives a complete sentence, a good sentence, a correct sentence, a sensible sentence, a proper sentence. Okay. So what you will do? You will remember when you're writing or reading or yes, writing, reading or come on. Speaking. Very good. So whenever you read, write, speak, you will remember subject plus predicate gives the complete sentence. Okay, children? Now, let's end this session here. Thank you for watching. And so, read, write, and speak a correct sentence. And our chapter sentence will be continued in the next part. And in the next part, we are going to learn the kinds of sentences. There are different kinds of sentences. Now, quickly, what you will do if you have not understood, so watch the video again. If you have understood well, I hope you must have understood. So click on the link and fatafat quickly click the tick the right answers and submit the button. Yes, after you finish, submit the button. So click the submit button and submit it. Okay. So thank you children. Bye bye. See you in the next video.